Did you notice that the mobile sentiment score just hit plus 0.53, a significant spike above our historical baseline? This is coupled with a momentum of plus 0.61, indicating a solid upward trend. With 18 semantic clusters surfacing, you can dive deeper into the nuances of this sentiment. Our API returns rich insights that analyze sentiment shifts in real time, offering you actionable data for your projects. Imagine integrating this into your app to enhance user experience by tailoring content based on emerging sentiments. For example, you could use this insight to adjust your marketing strategies instantly, aligning them with the current positive sentiment around mobile technologies. Get started with us at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. Let's harness this momentum together.